last but not least, the 3-in-1 charger. I have the Belkin version of this charger for the Apple devices. This is the official Samsung 3-in-1 charging stand. Now, I do like the aesthetic of it. That's the reason why I went with it over the Charging Pad Duo or any of the other options. So let's slice it open and see what Samsung has to offer. Very interesting choice of packaging. This will be a two-part unboxing series because the watch I just unboxed did not come with a band, so I cannot show you accurately how it's going to sit on this charger. One thing I do notice about this charger is this face is facing up more than the Apple version, but this is positional. So that's interesting. We'll see how that holds up. Kind of a short cable. I'll have to test that out. Here is our, as labeled in the box, 45-watt brick. Just plain, nothing too special to it. Oh, it goes like that. It's got a side plug, so it's going to go on the wall like this. The plug is going to go vertical. I've never seen that before. That's an interesting choice, but okay. Probably just keep the plastic on that. And the charger itself. Big, hefty metal thing. Oh, there's a box around the base of the charger. So, on a ball joint there. Kind of a rubber looking piece. This watch face is not positional, so it just sits very, very upright like that. The Apple one is down a bit further, so you can actually see the watch. It's an interesting choice, but the phone mount on this one is positional. Let's go ahead and remove that. And there is the charger. Down there is where the buds are supposed to sit. Grab them like that. And the phone. Oh, sits right on there like that. It is positional. It's not very strong, but it is positional. Unlike the Apple one, which doesn't go down as much, that actually tilts down further. So while I'm sitting at my desk, I can see a little bit better. Got the buds, and then the watch will go right there. So I'll show you that in part 2. Yeah, interesting. All right, well, that's about that. Let's take all this upstairs and plug it in, and we'll see how it works. Okay. here we go. All right, so you will see more of this in the second part, but here I am at the desk. A lot of rivalry going on right here. Pink gold, Apple Watch. Here's the two chargers next to each other. So this is the Belkin charger. What I see is kind of the official carrier for Apple. So when you charge the AirPods, they just go in the center like that. And that's it. The Apple Watch, this one is not positional. Just goes on like that. Now I'd show you the Galaxy Watch, but no band. Then we have the Galaxy device, brand new. Like that. 45-watt brick with thick cable attached. It is positional. You can see it goes up and down. It does hold it okay. It's not great, but it holds it okay. And then Galaxy Buds go right on this little plus. Now they're charging. So yeah, there you go. I'm not going to charge the Apple Watch right now. That is the Samsung Galaxy charger. Oh, it's kind of hard. See, the iPhone you can just kind of bend up and take off. This one, it's actually kind of hard, as you can see my 17 Pro Max in there. I'll just let those charge. This one, oh, wonder if there's a sticker thing on the bottom that I should take off. It's kind of stiff to take off, especially with one hand. Yeah, that's difficult. Anywho, there is the Galaxy Charger Trio, or whatever you want to call it, and the Apple Belkin official charger. All right, hope you enjoyed. That's all for this video. You'll see part 2 with all the stuff connected as it should be right up next. So, peace. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part. All right, so we're going to conclude a number of videos here. The watch is still being difficult, but I'm still working with my carrier to get that figured out. Here is that Samsung charging base. There's the watch on the charging base. Still have to find a nice face for it. It's too bad it doesn't have this nice Apple Watch live view face. I'm gonna miss that. We'll see how long I stay on this system. Here's the Galaxy Buds. These just charge like that. It just gets set right there. And then the phone itself kind of does this dark thing. You tap it to wake up, and then it's open. So kind of can see everything there in one shot. Turn on the light, turn off the light. Yeah, so this is Samsung clear case. We unbox this. Here's my steps. Here's all my apps. Got this all set up. Brightness, that's notifications. Brightness is only that far up. I like it. And we got the Galaxy Buds and the Galaxy Watch. So that's going to conclude the Samsung video on the charger, the Buds, and the phone unboxing. I think we'll come back to the watch. Well, maybe I'll just show you in another clip, and then we'll conclude the watch video. But there you go, Samsung ecosystem. There's the Apple ecosystem. My iPhone would go here. This watch sits on here. As you can see, this Belkin charger, its face is a little bit tilted more down than the Samsung one, but this is also positional. And then the AirPods here, AirPods Pro 3, as far as I know. So, okay. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.